video is exciting. I am going to be showing you guys the Walgreens beauty box. Yes, Walgreens has a beauty box. Crazy. So this is the summer box. It was $12 and I'm excited to see what's inside. You can either have it shipped to your house and you have to pay shipping. I'm not sure how much shipping is. Or you can have it shipped to a Walgreens store near you and the shipping's free, and that's what I did. I just picked it up at my local Walgreens. Okay, so the box looks like this. First thing in here are some coupons. So 4 different coupons. I'm assuming these are all products that are in here. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so the first thing I see is the number 7 Early Defense Glow Activating Serum. Next we have the Your Good Skin Balancing Skin Concentrate. It says it restores and maintains skin's natural balance, visibly healthier skin in just 28 days. The only thing about that is that this probably won't last you 28 days, so you'll have to buy a bigger version to see if it does that. Your Good Skin. I've never heard of this brand before. Is that? We have something from Soap and Glory. This is the Sexy Mother Pucker Pillow Plump Lip Gloss in the color Pinkwell. I'm usually not a fan of plumping lip glosses because I don't like the way they make my lips feel. But I'll definitely try this out. This is what it looks like. Let's smell this. Ooh. Ooh, it smells like chocolatey. Ooh, that smells real good. And the last 2 things are products from Sleek. This is, ooh, we got a mascara. I'm excited. This is the Full Fat Lash Mascara from Sleek in the color black. I will definitely do a Mascara Monday episode on this. I have so many Mascara Monday episodes pre-filmed, I think all the way through November now, which is awesome because I'm gonna have a brand new baby here, hopefully within the next 2 to 3 weeks. This is the mascara. Super excited for this. The last product also from Sleek is the highlighting palette in Precious Charms. Where else can you buy Sleek? Is it Target? I think it's Target. I was like, how do you open it? Because there's no like little finger hole thing. It's magnetic. Okay. So those are the colors. There we go. And it comes with a brush. Yeah, you can kind of see the colors. Everything that's in my summer Walgreens beauty box. Do I think it's worth $12? You know, I don't know. It's gonna be one of those boxes where you have to get multiple boxes to see if it's worth it. This one, you know, yeah, I think this one's worth it. I'm excited for this highlighting palette. Definitely excited for the mascara that just flew behind me. Not a fan of lip plumping products, but I will try it out. And then these 2 face products, I'll definitely try out. Oh, and the coupons too. So you get a $3 off any number 7 purchase, $3 off Sleek makeup, $2 off Soap and Glory, and $3 off Your Good Skin. So that's good that they have coupons in there too. So yeah, I think this box was worth it. Like I said, I gotta get multiple boxes to see if, you know, it's worth it, like to continually do it. I believe this is just seasonally because this is the summer box. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this box, I will have a link down below. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.